The purpose of this presentation is to document how to use the SwitchBot application on an Android phone to control the 8-foot measurement device. Here you see the Android phone, and I'm going to click on Play Store, and when that comes up, I'll type in the word SwitchBot, one word, into that to search for it in the Play Store. I find it, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Install, bring it in. Now it's downloading it, and shortly it will be downloaded. Doesn't take very long. After it's downloaded, then it's going to install it. Okay, it's almost downloaded. Now it's installing. Let it install it on the phone. Won't take too long for that either. And when that's done, there we go. Now I'm going to click on Open. That will activate the SwitchBot application. There it is. Click on Open. SwitchBot comes in. Pay attention to that message. That's what you'll see initially. And I close it out. I'm going to go into the application area. There's SwitchBot installed. I launch SwitchBot. And it says it didn't find anything, but follow this message here. Now click OK. And of course it says there is no SwitchBot application available. There's no. When I get a SwitchBot set up, when you start this application, you'll be able to see it in the screen, and then you should be okay. The purpose of this presentation is to show how the SwitchBot unit is controlled by the SwitchBot application. When you first set up a SwitchBot unit, like you see here on the right hand side, then you double click on the SwitchBot application like this, and it should come up, and it should see, it does see the bot application, like you see here, and it has something like bot something over. And what I want to do is I want to change the name of it to be something maybe correct for the autorefractor. And in the case of connecting to the 8-foot measurement device, you'll have 4 of these blocks beginning with the word bot, B-O-T something. So I'm going to call this bot, change it from bot 80 to power. So I click this little icon right here. It's like a little gear icon. Alright, and then I'm going to click this little icon right there to the right of bot 80. Okay, now it went down. Took a couple of times because this is the first time this device has been communicated with. Now if I do it again, and I'll make it a little larger so you can see it better. I'll click it again. Hopefully this time it'll go quickly. There you go. And what this device is doing is pushing the button on the autorefractor. I'll do it again, so you can see what it looks like. And of course that first failure was due to the autorefractor, the connection between the SwitchBot unit being an initial first time connection and not working. But after a few times, like if I do it again, you'll see that it'll work properly. There you go. So now you have the SwitchBot application connected to the SwitchBot switch, which is controlling 4 different elements: right, left, start, power, and print buttons on the autorefractor.
This is what it looks like when the SwitchBot application is fully configured. Top left is print, top right is right left, bottom left is start button, and then power, and you see it's actually powering on from the red circle. The application, when it first comes up and it sees the 4 switches, will show bot 1, bot 2, bot 3, bot 4, and you need to hit the little gear icon and change it so it says what it should say. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to make sure this headrest, this little eyepiece I should say, is up vertical. Then you're going to take this and you orient it like this and place it on the back of the autorefractor. You want to thread this between the eyepiece and the autorefractor back. And then you want to thread this, go around in front of the instrument, push hard on it, and put it down on the Velcro on the other side. This piece of Velcro is what holds it in place. Okay, now when I use this special application, like you see here, I should be able to click on power right here. And you can see the unit is powered up. See the lights on there. Okay. I can click on right, left. And you hear it beep, it switched over to the left eye. Or I can click on print. And then you can click on start if you want to start a measurement. And then press it again to stop a measurement. And then you can click on power again to power it off. There are 4 SwitchBots, like you see here, they call SwitchBots, which are used to control these little membrane switches. They're on the Retinomax 3 autorefractor. 3 controlling the power, the right, left, and also the print. A 4th one is down here that is controlling, right there, that is controlling the start button. This is what you see from 2 cameras, which are placed here and also here. And that's what you see through the monitor. Now, if I press this power on button right here, you can see on the screen where it is powering up. Okay, now I can press the right left button. Now if I press the right left button, I'm going to press it right here. You can see that the right left button is pressed. And now you see from here, it's on the left eye. If I press the start button, which is right here, you can look right over here and you can see it go in. So again, from the screen, you can also see that it is in the process of measuring. Now I press the start button again. You can see it once again. And now it stopped measuring, as you can see here. So you're able to do everything with these buttons. Now if I press the print button, which is used to transmit the prescription over to the computer, you can see it right here. Now if I go around here, and you can see the light is powered on, but if I press the power off button on the SwitchBot, as you can see right here, that's the power off button. You can see the button goes down, it powers it off.